What if the next action camera was powerful enough to replace your mirrorless setup? That sounds dramatic, but that is exactly why the Insta360 Ace Pro 3 launch is such a big deal. For months, leaks and insider reports have hinted that Insta360 has been working on something far beyond a routine upgrade. Now the launch is confirmed, and the picture coming into focus is wild. Today, we are breaking down the full rumored specs, expected pricing, and why this camera could completely change how creators think about action cams. Let's start with the biggest upgrade and arguably the most important one. The Ace Pro 3 is expected to feature a 1-inch class sensor, and that alone puts it in a different category. Most action cameras rely on tiny sensors that work fine in bright daylight but struggle the moment lighting gets tricky. A 1-inch sensor is dramatically larger, which means it can capture far more light. In practical terms, that translates to cleaner shadows, richer colors, smoother highlight roll-off, and far less noise when shooting indoors or at night. This is the kind of sensor size usually reserved for premium compact or mirrorless cameras. If Insta360 delivers here, the Ace Pro 3 stops being an action cam you tolerate for convenience and becomes one you choose for image quality. Now here is where the spec sheet starts to feel unreal. The Ace Pro 3 is rumored to shoot 8K video at 60 frames per second. On paper, that sounds excessive, but in real workflows, it is incredibly practical. Shooting in 8K gives you massive flexibility in post-production. You can crop, reframe, or stabilize aggressively and still export crisp 4K footage. Missed your framing while moving fast? No problem, you have room to fix it later. The 60 frame rate adds another layer, allowing smooth, slow motion without sacrificing resolution. For travel vloggers, action sports creators, and documentary shooters, this combination is a creative safety net. High-resolution footage means nothing if it's shaky, and this is where Insta360 has always had an edge. The Ace Pro 3 is expected to push FlowState stabilization even further. Instead of relying purely on heavy cropping, FlowState combines gyroscopic data with predictive algorithms to smooth footage in real time. The result is footage that looks gimbal smooth even during intense movement. Think fast downhill biking, running through crowded streets, or handheld cinematic moves without extra equipment. This is not just about convenience, it fundamentally changes how lightweight and spontaneous a professional setup can be. Here's where the Ace Pro 3 starts to feel less like a camera and more like a creator tool. Leaks suggest a major focus on next-generation AI features. Auto highlight detection could scan long clips and surface the best moments instantly. AI noise reduction would clean up low-light footage without manual tweaking. Intelligent subject tracking and auto-framing could keep creators centered even during chaotic movement. There are even rumors of basic in-camera edits that apply stabilization, color, and music automatically. For daily creators, this is huge. Less time scrubbing timelines means more time shooting and sharing. Action cameras have always struggled with battery life, especially at higher resolutions. The Ace Pro 3 is expected to feature improved heat management, a larger battery, and smarter power efficiency. That means longer recording times without thermal shutdowns. Fast USB-C charging could bring the battery back quickly between sessions. Design upgrades are also expected, including a brighter flip screen for outdoor visibility, improved waterproofing without a case, better wind noise reduction, and stronger accessory support. These are not flashy features, but they are what make a camera reliable in real conditions. The Ace Pro 3 is not trying to be a casual family camera. This is a hybrid creator tool aimed at serious YouTubers, travel filmmakers, adventure shooters, and anyone who needs high-quality footage in a compact, rugged form. It offers a different philosophy than traditional mirrorless setups. Instead of heavy lenses, gimbals, and external recorders, it delivers strong image quality, stabilization, and smart automation in a palm-sized body. If the rumored pricing lands in the premium action camera range, it could be an incredible value for what it offers. Here's the bottom line. The Ace Pro 3 represents a shift. It's not just an action camera upgrade, it's a statement about where creator tools are headed. Bigger sensors, higher frame rates, smarter software, and less friction between shooting and sharing. If even most of these rumors are accurate, the Ace Pro 3 could set a new benchmark and force the entire industry to respond. So what do you think? Is this the future of creator cameras, or is it overkill? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you want to stay ahead of the biggest tech launches, like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss what comes next.